Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR MagicPad 2 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to find About Tablet. Now let's localize build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you've got the screen lock, you will have to enter it to confirm. Now we've got this information, so we can go back to the system and updates and tap on developer options. Here we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option, automatic system updates, and simply tap on it. Tap on this switcher next to it to turn it on. And basically from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted and whenever the update will be available, of course. You can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.